Welcome back, everybody. It's early here, and I am getting ready to go out, but I had to buy a couple things in order to prepare for today's ice fishing trip. All right, well, gotta have my coffee. And so, first thing was, when I went out there, my drill started to smoke because I got the clam adapter. And it's an inexpensive drill. It's got a brush motor. It's not a real high torque, so I got a much higher torque brushless motor. So when you put it on this, the little doohickey thingy here gives me 25% more torque, so I can drill. So, and you got to have a 1/2-inch adapter for this. So, the difference between a brushless and a brush motor is lots of them. One that this is made for durability and for torque. So, we should do pretty good drilling through the ice with this today. And you do suck a lot of power, so of course, I use a 3 amp hour battery on this. It's only $50 for the drill, not the battery. I think the battery's $80. But anyway, very nice. So we've got that. And last time we were out, I had to sort of finagle a new battery for the fish finder. So I ordered a new LiPo lithium ion battery. It's a lot lighter, same size, but a lot lighter. And so now we've got a much longer lasting battery with my Markham flasher. So I'll be heading out to Lake of the Woods. We're going to do some more ice testing today. And we'll be going out there in a few hours. About 8 o'clock my time, get out there about 9 o'clock their time, or give or take. And I got some new products because they wanted to see something I did. Now I've got, some rounds, really inexpensive, but it's nice from reclaimed wood. And I think this is the pen I did, yeah. So this is a pen with Lake of the Woods logo and their name on it. I tried lots of different settings on these bamboo pens, so kind of, it didn't really ruin them. But this is the one that, I had to play with the settings a little bit, so we'll give those to them, and if they want to order some, that'll be great. It's a good profit margin for them. And we've got, lots of different things, But anyway, stay tuned. I will be doing a live out there. And for an hour or two, in the morning, you just catch a lot of fish. And I'm going to be testing the area by the Green Gazebo. So I'll be going straight out from the Green Gazebo, which is my favorite spot. And we're going to be testing that ice. And hopefully we've got good ice out there. And I can go ahead and fish in my favorite spot today, which is about 15, 16 feet deep. It's a good Goldilocks spot. And you can catch just about everything from trout to salmon to perch, maybe a bass, crappie in the afternoon. So we'll see what we can do. Anyway, we will see you guys out on the ice soon.